What's up, everybody? This is Johnny Fade from the Fade Game, and I'm here to give you tips and advice on the hot towel shave. So today we're going to talk about the hot towel shave and the benefits behind it. So first, the hot towel shave promotes circulation of the skin before and after the shave. It also keeps you stress-free, relaxed, and also results in better hair growth. The steam opens up the pores of the skin, which makes it smoother and softer. It also extracts oils, dirt, and dead skin and minimizes skin irritation. The hot towel shave prevents folliculitis, also known as razor bumps. It also moisturizes the skin and gives it a rejuvenating effect. Try a hot towel shave here at the Fade Game. Any one of our barbers should give you one. Thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the chair.